Welcome in on this wonderful Wednesday. It is a delay day, one of those built in many days. So it is a little bit shorter lessons, and always Wednesdays we're trying to keep them kind of light. So for today, you have two things to do today. Okay. The first thing is right here. You are going to click on the link and you're going to review minerals by playing this fun little Kahoot. Okay, ready, set, you're going to Kahoot. You're going to enter your nickname. You're going to go. There's 15 questions to review properties and characteristics of minerals. Pretty easy. Okay, after you're done Kahooting, and we will Kahoot in class if you are with us, but if you're at home, when you're done Kahooting, you're going to go right here to the mineral quiz, and you're going to click on the link underneath me and the box. And here is your mineral quiz. You're going to work your way through. There are 4 sections only because some of them have pictures that go specifically with a thing. So don't think it's not that long of a quiz. It's like maybe 10 points. Nothing too crazy. It just does have, has some passages and pictures that go with it. So I kind of grouped it that way. Okay. If you are one of those kiddos that need that little extra help and you have your quiz read to you, okay, just a little extra help. Here is me reading you the quiz. Okay. So if you are one of our extra help little kiddos that need that little extra support right here, you can find the read aloud version. We're going to start making sure that you have that read aloud version available to you. So you can take them at home, or if that doesn't play right or doesn't work, you can make arrangements and we'll do it when you get back here in class. But here is the read aloud version for the quiz. Okay, so Kahoot, quiz, and then catch up on any missing work because you are now, a good, 2-3 weeks into, oh my goodness, Q2. I forget where we are. Okay. Don't fall behind. Use that time that we're giving you to get caught up. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy Kahoot, and I will see you tomorrow.